Screenplay for feature category. Cinemalaya Citation, full-length feature film, best screenplay. For a masterfully written, fearlessly complex script, for its layered visionary storytelling, for crafting a hauntingly rich narrative filled with fascinating, grotesque characters, and for turning a deeply resonant tale of domestic grief and family dysfunction into a sharp, provocative reflection of the underlying dark realities of Philippine society. The award for Best Screenplay goes to Yulan Varela Huerta for Magno.
Accepting the award is the director, Giancarlo Abra.
Pahupain po muna natin yung mga emergency. Maraming salamat po. I would read the message from our writer, Ginagawa. Maraming salamat kay Kian. Ako po yun. At sa lahat ng bumubuo ng mag-ina. Salamat at akong estranghero mula sa teatro ay pinatuloy niyo sa tahanan ng pelikula. Salamat sa Cinemalaya. Salamat sa aking manager, Sir Noel Ferrer. Salamat sa aking pamilyang Luarca na punong-puno ng pagmamahal. Kaya alam ko tuloy sulatin ang isang pamilyang wala noon. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat.